goodness, it's very dark. I cannot see a thing. Oh, my eyes are blindfolded. I forgot. Yes, and oh, yes, my ears are covered too. The sound of gentle snoring. Maria.
Oh, Count, hi.
What are we doing out here in the dark, asleep?
Well, you finally fell asleep, thank goodness. And then I fell asleep, I guess. Anyway, here we are.
How long have we been here?
I don't know. A long time. I hope long enough to make you well. Unless you were counting in your sleep.
There's one way to find out. If I can count without fainting, I am cured.
Okay, why don't you try it, and I'll catch you, just in case.
Oh, wonderful. Now, what should I count? The stars. I will count the stars.
Okay.
One star. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Two stars. Yes, I don't feel dizzy.
Great.
Three stars. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stars. 10, 11.
He's
12,
well.
13, 14
So we
stars.
hear.
15, 16, 17, 18 stars. 19.
Sesame
20,
Street has been brought to you
21,
today
22,
by the letters
23 stars,
H
24,
and O,
25,
and by the number
27,
13.
28, 29, 30 stars.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop, you know.
35. I feel wonderful. Yes.